Hi, honey.
Hey, sweets.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
You made me very delicious dinner, gave me present, and very beautiful flowers. So this is my gift to you.
Thank you.
Open one at a time.
More than one in here?
Yes.
Ooh, green tea chocolate.
Green tea chocolate. You like everything green tea, right?
I do. I like green tea and I like chocolate.
Okay.
Botan candy.
What is that?
It's rice candy with a sticker.
Rice candy.
Green tea.
Matcha green tea filling
Like
dark chocolate.
Kit Kats look like, yeah.
Yeah, you like chocolate and you like green tea.
Absolutely. Star Wars Valentine's cards?
Star Wars tarts. You can give some to your coworkers.
I can, thank you.
James likes Star Wars.
I do. Wow, there's a whole mess of stuff in here.
Wear it. You have to wear it.
Is this the teapot warmer?
Yeah, just wear the hat. Yeah. Okay.
Shortbread Scotty Dog.
Shortbread cookie. James loves foxes.
Green tea milk candy.
Green tea candy. James loves black currant flavor.
Mm-hmm.
So that's black currant jam.
Yeah.
He loves foxes, green tea, black currant.
What is in here? Oh,
This is a little fox.
baby fox.
It matches your hat. What is this? This is a little lovebird thing where you can put your wedding ring because you're always just putting your wedding ring on random little spots.
Thank you. Yeah, I just took it off now to cook.
Yeah, so you don't lose it. James loves tea. So this is a little tea package.
Cool.
With a tin from England.
Like an old telephone booth,
Yes.
yeah.
This is a little fox figurine because James likes fox.
Aww, he's cute.
This little cute fox figurine. Maltesers.
Bar.
It's from Scotland. It's the chocolate from Scotland.
Mm-hmm.
Maltesers cheese. I found this out from his James' mom that's a popular Scotland snack.
And proper Maltesers as
This
well.
is also really popular from Scotland. Maltesers. Chocolate. This is a card. And it has little dogs. And all the dogs have little tongues sticking out.
Cute.
Okay.
Thank you. Happy Valentine's.
Happy Valentine's. That's all your presents.
That's plenty. Thank you so much.
Bye.